Hey, thanks for watching again. Today I'm sharing with you my thoughts about the Zizo Bolt phone case. It retails for 25 bucks and I bought it for my LG K20 Plus phone. Obviously you can't see the phone inside this case right now because I'm using it to film this video. So far, I've really been liking this case overall. There's a few features to note about it. So one of the main reasons I bought this case is it came with a kickstand so that I can watch. It makes it easy to just stand up the phone and I can watch my YouTube videos and TED Talks and stuff like that. So it's real convenient. Also, obviously, the case itself helps protect the phone from drops and stuff like that. And this case actually also comes with like a piece of tempered glass that you put over the screen of your phone, and it helps protect the screen. So if you drop it, it doesn't shatter the screen. In theory. Another thing is this case comes with a belt clip holder thing. I've never actually used this because I don't really like holding the phone on my belt like that, so I don't have a whole lot to say about it, except that the reviews that I've read online about it is that this thing, I guess they say, people have said that this thing breaks pretty quickly, but I couldn't tell you from personal experience because I haven't actually used it. So couple things to note. So the tempered glass that this case comes with, I'm grateful that it has that. It's a nice feature, but one thing that I found about it is that it makes it becomes incredibly reflective when you add it onto the screen of the phone. And so in daylight you can barely see the screen with how reflective it is. So what I had to do was I ended up buying a anti-glare screen protector and put it on top of that, and that seems to have helped quite a bit with the glare issues. And it hasn't hampered my ability to touch anything on the screen or get anything to respond, so that's been fine. Don't know if I mentioned this already, I forget. The kickstand is great and I like it, but what I found is that it's a little bit difficult to get my fingernail in there, especially if I just cut my fingers or if I just cut my nails. I actually sometimes will have to stick something in there to pop the thing open. So I wish that was made a little bit more ergonomic. And then one other thing that I've noticed is that, so I have one of those magnetic holders for my car, so that when I get in the car I can just magnetize the phone to the holder so that when I'm driving I can see the map and whatever. What I noticed is as soon as I put this case onto it, with the piece of sheet metal on the inside of the case, on the back of the phone, it no longer would stick to the magnet. So what I ended up having to do was, here's that piece of sheet metal right there. I had to actually cut it to fit around this, the contours of this case, and I ended up having to glue it to the back of this case, and now it holds no problem. So what else? That is pretty much it. I don't think there's anything else I have to say about this case. Overall, I like it. It's good. Is it worth 25 bucks? It's a little steep for what you're getting for it. It's not like it's waterproof or anything like that. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. So if you have any questions about it, feel free to give me a holler, and I'd be happy to answer whatever you got. Thanks for watching.